Hey everyone, it's Connor and
Michael.
We're from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide. And what have we got today, Michael?
We've had, this is one of our I can't remember what we used to call them. Epic buybacks anyway. So we've just had these sold in, and just by coincidence, it was fascinating. We had a young Chinese lady in who took a look at them and went, wow, you know, these are great. These mean this and this means that. And the bank that they're produced by, her brother is actually the manager of over in China. What a coincidence.
No.
Yeah, so it was fascinating. I should have got her on camera, but I thought that would be a bit rude. So, yeah. But these are the sort of crazy things that we get in to the store as buybacks sometimes. So I'm not even going to attempt to butcher it, and I'm sure someone in the chat will be able to say it far better than I. But these characters on here, they basically mean, from my understanding, and I'm more than happy to stand corrected on this one, but from my understanding, it means that this gold is passed down through the generations. So, you know, you buy it or you get it from your great-grandfather or, you know, those types of things. It's a generational word, I believe, is what I'm led to believe. But these are some of the sorts of things we get in. If you've not seen them before, they are fascinating, and particularly if you've got someone that can, either yourself or someone that can interpret them for you. It caused quite some animated conversations in the office, just with how they are. And funnily enough, she actually called her brother while we were discussing these things, and he was saying that only very recently, in the last few years, have they been able to sell them to the general public. Prior to that, they haven't been able to. But they are an investment gold bar. They come in various sizes. We've only got the 20, let me get this right, this is a 100 grammer, and I believe these are, these are 50 grammers. So the 50 grammers in stock, but apparently they come all the way up into a kilo bar. So I'm going to have to see if I can chase a kilo bar, because I think these look fantastic.
They're very gorgeous. I've never seen these before. Have you seen these before, Mike?
I have seen similar things. They also produce one with a tiger on it. Sorry, not a tiger, with a dragon on it. And I've seen that one. We had that in probably about 6 months ago. We got some of those sold back in. So this is just one of those curious things. They are available for sale. They'll be in our buybacks if you're interested at all. But they are, like I said, these have got characters on the back of them as well. So yeah, this is more just they are for sale, as I said just before. But this is more of an interest thing. It's fascinating seeing precious metals, gold in this case, from other parts of the world and how it's sold. It's different to how it's sold in Australia and how it's presented. So it's great fun. And if you can get some of that variety, again, you're talking to a coin collector here, but if you can get that kind of variety in your stack, it generates interest. And you know, that discussion I just had with that young Chinese lady, it generates those sort of things. So you get so much more pleasure out of your stack than just, I'm stacking gold or I'm stacking silver. It actually becomes a conversation point and a source of fascination. So if you're in the market for something a little bit different, I strongly encourage you to consider, it doesn't have to be these, but something along those sort of lines where you can get them at cheaper prices because they're bullion, but they have a story with them. So anyway, that's just me geeking out. That's it for now. We'll talk again later.